Hello and welcome to the personal property tour for One Sun Close in Cupar. This is a fantastic one-bedroom ground floor flat, finished to a really high standard, spacious rooms, ready to move in, and a great central location as well. So what I'm going to do is flip the camera, I will take you on the tour, and then I'll tell you exactly where you're situated with this property. So this is your property here, One Sun Close. I love this courtyard area outside, a great space, really peaceful location as well, and really are tucked away while still having everything on your doorstep. But that's a great area to sit out in the summer months. I can imagine this is a real sun trap. So then you come through your front door into your open plan living dining space, which is just great. I absolutely love this for an entrance. Isn't it just lovely? Great use of space. You have this living area off here and that big window letting in plenty of light, and then your separate dining area also. It really is so peaceful here. You close that front door and you really are shutting out the outside world. It's so peaceful. But let's head down. So on our left here we have the really generous sized modern bathroom. Really great size, as you can see. So you have your enclosed shower cubicle, wash hand basin and WC. So that is your bathroom just there. And then we go along into your bedroom. Again, a really great size, plenty of floor space, a double bed, and then you still have room for your bedroom furniture. So a really great sized bedroom. Then we'll go back along the corridor, and what I love is you have two double fitted wardrobes, so you have ample storage with this property, which is another really big plus. And just look at that again for a living space, just lovely. And then we come along here into our kitchen, and I absolutely love the kitchen of this property. Really modern, high finish. Love the accents with the black as well. It's a really lovely touch. Plenty of worktop and cupboard space as well. So it really is a great kitchen. And then just looking out to the front courtyard area just there. But really love that kitchen. Really high finish, as you can see. So then we're going to go back along and I'm going to take you back outside just to give you an idea of exactly where you're situated with this property. So to gain access, you have a path just to the side of the building. Just down there is a gate, and this is your access to your property just here. So that was the personal property tour for One Sun Close in Cupar. Fantastic one-bedroom ground floor flat, high finish throughout, spacious living area, as well as having everything on your doorstep. It really is a great location, really peaceful and tucked away, but you're walking distance to all your local amenities as well. So you have the shops, the bakers, the doctors, the dentist, everything is here that you could possibly need, while also having great commuting links, the bus routes connecting you all over Fife, as well as a train station as well. So it really is the perfect property in a great location. So if it does appeal to you, then click the link so that you can get the value of the property and further details. Alternatively, you can message me directly, or feel free to call the team on 01334 654 221. Sophie at 5 Properties TV, take care.